Hello dear students, welcome back to Vocalino. In this video, we are going to discuss our second chapter, The Elixir of Life, written by C.V. Raman. Before we begin the chapter, let's talk about the author. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman was a famous Indian physicist. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for the Raman effect. Apart from science, he had a deep interest in nature, water, rain, oceans, and life on earth. In this essay, he beautifully explains the life giving importance of water. The chapter begins with a question. It is said that if the Third World War breaks out, it will be for the sake of water. Do you agree? Once, when we read this essay, we all will have an answer for this question. We are moving to the summary of the essay. Sir C.V. Raman begins by calling water the true elixir of life because no living being can survive without it. He explains that the sight of flowing water in rivers or tanks brings life, beauty, and fertility to the land around it. A dry, dusty land becomes green and productive when water is available there. He says that water not only supports human life but also affects climate, agriculture, plants, and even animals. Raman describes how water stored in the soil feeds plants, which in turn provide food and oxygen for humans. He stresses the importance of rainfall as rain is the main source that fills rivers, lakes, and underground water. Without rainfall, the water storage, there would be famine, drought, and suffering. He warns that India loses huge amounts of water every year only because rainwater flows away unused. To protect water, Sir C.V. Raman suggests building dams, reservoirs, and tanks to store rainwater for the future. He also says planting trees helps save water because forests attract rain, cool the air, and prevent soil erosion. According to him, using water wisely is essential for a healthy nation and a prosperous future. Raman ends the essay by saying that if humans learn to manage water carefully, it will truly become the elixir of life, bringing happiness, health, and progress. Now, though it is an essay, there are certain themes of the essay. The main and the important theme is, of course, importance of water. Water is essential for living organisms, agriculture, and the environment. It transforms dry lands into fertile areas, bringing life and greenery. Conservation of water. People must store and use water responsibly to avoid shortages. Without conservation, rainfall is wasted and leads to drought. Human responsibility is another one theme. Humans have a duty to protect natural resources. Wise water management ensures future generations survive and grow. So we should think about the future generation also, and it is our duty to protect, to save water. Water and development. Stored water supports farming, electricity, hydropower, industry, and daily life. A nation becomes stronger and richer when water resources are efficiently used. Message of the essay is water is the most precious gift of nature and we must protect it. Conservation, wise usage, and proper storage of water can transform our country. A healthy relationship with nature leads to a healthy society. So, dear children, the elixir of life teaches that water is the true source of life on earth. Saving water is not just a need, but a responsibility for every person. If we respect nature, nature will reward us with abundance and prosperity. So, dear children, I hope you have understood the summary of the essay, The Elixir of Life, written by Sir C.V. Raman. If you have any doubts about this chapter, kindly ask your doubts in the comment section. We will meet with the next chapter in the next video. Till then, thank you.